right?
No, but one of the helpers did because I'm like, we're on the 15th floor.
Wow.
And we realized there's no 200s.
Not up here.
Try again.
It's good to explore.
Yeah. Especially just in the hallways.
There you go. You never know much about minutes, but
Watch
think
out
of all
for
the
that.
money you're saving.
Exactly. That's
Right.
what
Going down?
We'll wait. Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. I took a bath and everything.
he hasn't, so that's a good thing.
Okay. That's what, you stay way over there.
That's right.
Good job, son.
Rude.
You're just here on vacation.
How about you?
Just on vacation. Come out, go crazy a little bit, and go back home.
Lost some steam.
Let me try. Let me try. Try now.
Uh-oh.
You might wanna. You might have to use your card.
Yeah.
Yeah, Grandma's got it, doesn't she?
Don't worry about
This was just a Luxor, hotel casino elevator at the what's it called, the mid-rise ones in Las Vegas, Nevada.
We're just gonna find out. And then you try calling both of you, nobody